Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have something really cool here. I have some LED lights to put on the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Now this should fit pretty much all the Jeep Gladiators, but this is some LED lights from LED Factory Mart. I do have some older model LED lights on here, still working good, but these are really cool and I really wanted to try these out. So we're going to take them off and install, and they're super easy. So don't be worried about if you buy them, about it being difficult to install. There's really nothing to install in these at all. Pretty much plug and play. But these are from LED Factory Mart. They are the S-shaped taillights. Has some cool features on this too as far as the brightness, and they do have backup lights, of course. You wouldn't want to go without backup lights. Tail light, brake light, turn signal, backup lights. We'll bring this in closer so we can open the box, see what's in the box, and we'll get them installed. Okay, you see here, this is for the Jeep Gladiator JT. If we turn it on the side here, it shows that we have the running lights, which is tail lights, brake and turning lights, and our reverse backup lights. Super bright, over 50,000 hours of lifespan, low power consumption, waterproof IP67. So these also, one cool thing is they do have the built-in decoder, and there's no CAN bus problem. Some of them have a CAN bus problem, and you don't want that. You want the ones that don't have that. So we are good to go there. Shows this is a USA plug. Evidently you can get one for a Euro plug. I didn't know that. Let's open this box. And here we get a LED Factory Mart decal. Don't touch my car. Okay, the instructions here. Shows US version, tells what each pin does, and the Euro version, same way. On this side, tells you instructions installing it, which I believe we just need an 8mm nut driver or a socket wrench with 8mm. So we'll pull this out here, the tail light itself. Good looking tail lights, pretty cool. And they are smoked lens, which is cool looking for sure. Looks like a reflector out here. We'll see when we light these up. On this side we have, this is the two mounting screws there where they go. And then there's our plug right there. These two pegs will plug into the back into rubber grommets. That's about it. Let's take one of these off and get it installed. Okay, so we have an 8mm screw right here and one right here behind this cable, which you can still get to actually. So we want to remove those. Now, as far as this light coming out, there's the two pegs in there, and we need to pull this straight back until we unplug it from the rubber grommets. Kind of rock it and pull it back. Like so. And then our plug is right up inside here. We should be able to just push the release and pull that right off there. Now, if you have the factory lights, the incandescent, you will have to release the lock and then unplug them. But on this one, you don't. You just push the pin, unplug them. Okay, so as far as putting these in the correct position, and the way you tell is you want this clear part here. This is the reverse light that goes on the bottom. Now, as far as plugging it in, there's our lock. We're just going to plug it in right here and then push this lock to lock it into place. So we just plug it right in here, like so. Now we take this little red lock, push it in until it's locked. Okay, I'm going ahead and leaving this on just so I don't scratch it while I'm installing it. Then you can just peel this off. My reverse light is on the bottom. I'm going to take these two pegs right here, and they push right into these two rubber grommets right here. And just go straight in with it. Like so. Now we're on there, and we should be able to go ahead and take these off. Now we should be able to take our two 8mm screws and put them back in place. Make sure your tail light is pushed all the way forward when you do this. Now we're on there nice and solid. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the difference between the old style lights here. You can see not real bright, especially on the bottom. That's not very bright down there. And then look at these. It's a lot brighter. And this is just on tail light. That's not brake light. So we can see over here on the side too that we have a red marker light right here. This looks like just a reflector. And then there's also a red marker light here on the bottom. Okay, now you can see this is on emergency flasher, my hazard flashers, which would be the same thing as hitting your brake or your turn signal. So it does this bar right here versus the old one. It's not near as bright. This one's definitely a lot brighter. Okay, so I'm ready to go ahead and do my driver's side. Take my 8mm, buzz these off. Rock this until I get it to unplug here. And unplug the light itself. I need to plug it in here. And then push my red lock button into place. Now just plug these pegs into the rubber grommets. Like so. I can peel these off. And then stick my two 8mm screws back in. While pushing in on the taillight assembly. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there is the tail lights. Looking really cool. You can see how it's kind of an S pattern. Okay, so there is the brake light and the tail light. Right there, looking good. Them brake lights are really bright. Tail lights are definitely brighter too than the old ones that I had on there. Okay guys, here is the Jeep Gladiator. It's not dark yet, but it's dark enough that we can tell how good these lights look. You see them from the side there, look really good. I like the side indicators, top and bottom. Here is more of a rear view, very bright on the tail lights. They look real good. You see straight on, looking good. And we can see the side indicators on the left side. We have the hazards on, which would be the same thing as having a signal light on. Right there. Okay, there is the brake light. Looking good, nice and bright. Look at that. So there is the backup lights. Looking real good. Even with the brake lights on, the backup lights are really bright. So they are even lighting up the ground out here like crazy. It is really lit up. You can even see the reflection of them backup lights in the RV over here. Super cool, looking good. So these are going to be really nice. Okay, so there you guys go. Check out these awesome LED lights from LED Factory Mart. These are for the Jeep Gladiator JT. Now they also have LED lights for the JL, the JK, all the Jeeps, all kinds of other lights. They have everything from the turn signals that go on the front that are LED. They have LED headlights. They have pretty much everything you would want. All kinds of LEDs for all kinds of applications, not just Jeep. Super good company and super good deals for their LED lights. Thank you all for watching. I will post a link to these in the description where you can check them out. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Ride on.